Hi, Colin. I'm going to give you some feedback on your first entry here. One thing I would encourage you to do, you've deleted this, but you need to use the self-grading guide to give you a grade. Just a short paragraph like that doesn't really give me much explanation. I did this, I did, and I need you to kind of reflect of why a B. And you want to put the B up there, by the way. So you need to do this a little bit more systematically based on the self-grading guide. And then, so for the Gen A, I used YouTube video, okay, and for your notebook thing, and how it could force education to finally change. Okay, and so here's your document. Oh, you created a briefing document. That's fine. That's great. Thanks for showing me that. Um, but you've got the link there. A second here. So that's great. It would be great if you just did something like briefing document I created. Take this link, copy it, highlight that, and then say insert link. And then that's so much neater for me, and you don't have a lot of mess here. Um, so you use this to okay, and thank you for letting me know this. Um, it would be helpful if no, you've um, maybe it could be used formatted a little bit better so I can see it's about 60 minutes, which is about what I expect. You giving me a really detailed description, which is good. Um, and uh, I would be interested in your opinions of the mapping tool and the audio tool and the video tool and interacting there. I think that's important in this case for this particular reflection. So you could improve on that. And then you're going to create a cheat sheet for special education, which is great. And here's your description here, but you didn't use the prompt there, so that's incomplete at this stage. I need to know the prompt, and I need to know the ideas, and it doesn't look like you spent much time on this. So you want to be careful of that, okay? It should have been about 2 or 3 hours. So really time equals grade in this course. So it's a little concerned about the personal project. And looks like you've done the community contributions. However, I would like you to use the prompt, not just kind of wing it in a paragraph, because the prompt is systematic. It's asking you about your systematic contributions, and I don't think that's that would have been produced from that prompt. You're playing around with resist sending papers, wrote back, but you didn't actually put a link here to a prompt and a description. So again, you're deleting things that you really should leave in here. So list the prompt, leave this here because it's got your examples. Put your resource, label it, give it a paragraph description. Use this prompt. So use the tools to help you produce something that is a little bit better. And yeah, so that's my feedback. Oh, also look at the example I sent out, the exemplar. That should help.